Okay, this one's going to be really fast. We already did the first part of this. I'm going to grab a pen and grab a cool color. Well, dark purple or something. Okay, so recursive. Okay, so the equation that we just wrote on the last slide, we had done f of n is equal to 5n plus 2. And we had found that both mathematically, and we had found that just looking at the patterns. But this slide right here is wanting us to come up with a recursive formula. And if you remember what I said about recursive formulas, don't worry about this being a graph. I'm going to write all over this slide. But a recursive formula is going to have function notation on both sides. And a lot of times what it will be is it'll be f of n minus 1, so it'll be like the previous number. You use that to find the next number. So you use f of n minus 1 to find the next f of n. So, and then it's going to always have like either a plus or minus something over here, if it's linear especially. So let's look at that really quick. This block right here, this had, what did we have, 7 and 12. This was 17 and 22. Okay, if you look at this, it's going to be, if you're trying to use like f of n minus, let's say we're looking for f of 2. Okay, then we would find f of n minus 1, which is f of f of 1, okay, because if we're looking for f of 2, then f of 2, you put a 2 in wherever the n is, minus 1 plus something is going to give you f of 2. So f of 2, this is a little bit, is equal to f of 2 minus 1 is 1 plus something, okay? And what we discovered was that the plus something is 5. 5 plus 5, okay, like that. So our recursive equation on this one, f of 1 is 7, by the way. F of 1 is 7. So 7 plus 5 is 12, and that gets you to the next number. Oh, okay, I don't know if I just talked about that very well, but f of n equals f of n minus 1 plus 5. Okay, this is a recursive function. And what it is, when you have the explicit function up here, this is in linear form where you've got mx plus b, and you can plug any number of n in here and find out what f of n is. This kind of recursive function requires that you already know at least one of these. You have to know like f of 1 to find f of 2. You have to know f of 2 to find f of 3. But these are really, really handy also. And something to be aware of is, just like we found that 5 was our slope on this guy, this right here is our slope on a recursive function. Okay? Kind of cool. You guys, we're going to talk about these a ton until we all get really pretty good at it, okay? If you need some help on this one, if you want me to go through a few more examples, come and talk to me, because I'll help you with it until you can figure out what it is that I'm seeing and what you're needing to see, okay? I hope that helps a little bit, but the recursive function should look like this, okay?